Hi everyone, I'm Ritesh and you're watching Dancing with Data. Do check my website. I talk about Tableau and Power BI both. And I talk about both because I'm first in the world to hold Tableau Ambassador and Power BI Super User title, first and only. I do have a special section, Tableau versus Power BI. If you're learning Tableau with the background of Power BI or vice versa, you can come over here and get the idea. And hopefully that will help you to kickstart your journey in either of the two. Okay, I'm glad to inform you that the video that I created with Tableau ChatGPT was featured as one of the trending blogs or video for the last week. And if you want to check that, I'll ensure that this link is available at my description. And you can see my name over there, Ritesh Best ChatGPT solving Tableau and to end use case. But the interesting question is, what about Power BI? Can we solve this the same question at Power BI as well or not? That's the question for today. I hope the question excites you. The requirement is exactly similar to the Tableau requirement, where I want to have these reference line within the category, right? So for one category, you will have average sales. So of course, you have three categories over there: furniture, office supply, technology. You can see at the bottom. So you have three reference line, now three average line. I have three average sales line. Fair enough. With ChatGPT, I was able to execute this 90 with 99% efficiency as far as Tableau is concerned. But what about Power BI? If you're interested in the Tableau video, it will be there at the description again. Okay, so enough of the requirement. This is the time now to pose a question to ChatGPT. So here is the question, ladies and gentlemen. I'm using Power BI. I want to create line and clustered column chart with measure sales and dimension category and subcategory. How can I create reference line which can show average sales? Number one, and within each category, and number two, and color the bars above this line with a different color using text. Okay, and let's move on. Okay, we are getting some integrated line and clustered column chart in Power BI. Okay, ensure that you have necessary data imported. Okay, click on Insert tab in the Power BI ribbon. Select line and clustered column chart visualization. Okay, that's great. Drag the category dimension to access field, subcategory dimension to legend field. Drag the sales measure to both the column. Okay, so it is giving us the uh, calculation, dex expression, data analysis expression as well. Now that's cool. Let's see how much it was able to satisfy our requirement. So let us follow the same. Now it says ensure that you have necessary data. Okay, fine. Select line clustered column chart visualization from the visualization section. Okay, let's do that. Before we do that, it's worth spending some time to understand the data set that you have right now in front of you. So this is a simple data set that we have here, where we have two different categories and different subcategories within a single category, and we have sum of sales. So basically, we want to have a measure where we can have the average under each category, and whatever the average value that you will have, it will check and compare that with each individual values. And if it is more than that, then it will be a different color, as we have discussed earlier as well. Okay, let us move ahead and let us try to follow the command over there. It says that click on the insert tab in the Power BI. Okay, that's that we have done. Drag the category dimension to the access field and drag the subcategory into the legend field. So, okay, let's do that. First of all, drag the category dimension to the access field. Okay, category. Okay, so we have this one, and we have category to access. And now it says subcategory dimension to the legend field. Okay, for a while, let us follow it blindly. So let us bring subcategory to the legend. Here you go. Now it says that drag says measure to both column values and line values. So let us see if we get any advantage out of that. So let's have sales, and again says at the line axis as well. Okay, so it looks like this. So let us turn y-axis to average, as you can see over there. So it says right click on the sales measure in the column value section and add average line from the context menu. So let's do that. We'll go there and we'll right click on the sales measure in the column values. Okay, column values is this one. So let us do the same thing. I turn this to average. Okay, so you remember that our requirement was to make this as the average line. So I think this is wrong, and we make it back to sum. Instead of that, I need to make use of this as the average, which looks better if you see, because the average is 200, which is fine, because 100 plus 200 is 300 plus 5 plus 300 again is 600 divided by 3. That means you have 200. So this is the correct one. So 0.7 seems to be wrong. So let's go to the next one. In the visualization pane, click on data color section, enable the conditional formatting option, set the base on the field to the sales measure, and set condition to above. Now they have made it pretty generic. You have got a hint over there from there. So yes, we need to do the conditional formatting, but this looks pretty straightforward. Not like this way. In fact, I have made a text expression over there that is called as CF4 over there. So if you see CF4, it says that if the average sales by category is less than the sum of sales, then give me this color, otherwise this color. But before that, you need to know that what is there inside. So I think this is the place where you can say that, okay, you have got a good calculation to, copy. Now this is the calculation to, create average sales by category, right? And in fact, I can, we have already copied this code and I can show you the code itself. And here you go, average sales by, calculate average, all except sample average line, except category because we need to group within the category. So that's why all except category. That's it. Okay, now I've got this one. Now we need to bring this one to our conditional formatting DEX expression or say DEX CF4. If the average is less than equal to sum of sample sales, then C green color, otherwise tomato. Okay. So now we'll go to the custom formatting, y-axis, columns. And there, if you see, you have got the individual colors over there. Now that's because of the legend that you had created earlier. So maybe I just want to get rid of that. Instead of having it over there, I will have it under x-axis. And from here, I can do that. So remember that we need to bring our calculation. We don't have to go with average of sales over there. So I bring this, and here you go. And not only that, now I go to my custom formatting. Now I go to y-axis, and there I can see columns. And from there, I can make use of this function. Now I go to the field value is CF4, and here you go. I say okay, and finally I got the destination. So yes, this calculation did help me, right? And I was able to get the average sales by category. But with respect to formatting, right, these bars, so that when it crosses this line, it should turn to green, or if it won't touch, then it should be of red color. So as far as Power BI is concerned, I would say that this helped me around, say 55 to 60% against 99% with respect to Tableau. So that sort of clarity was not over here as it was with Tableau, but still 60% of your workload. It- so I hope you enjoyed this session. This chat will be there at the description as well. So you can go and you can have a look over there as well. So I hope this video was informative and this is the time to say bye-bye. But we are going to meet again probably with another AI related video. So till then, this is goodbye from Ritesh. क्योंकि डेटा ही दादा है क्या तुमको keep on dancing with data क्योंकि डेटा ही दादा है क्या तुमको सब कुछ आता है. Bye bye.